credit card, croquet set. All right, this is from Sarah.
Okay.
It says, don't open to your birthday.
It's your birthday.
Happy birthday, Dad. Please do not open until your birthday from Sarah Graham. All lowercase. Because can't be shouting with proper letters.
She wanted all the letters to be equal.
What
That's
is
a cool bag.
Yeah,
It
this
is.
is what happens when you go to say Amazon. The gift wrap it for you. See? Amazon. Amazon. So if you get through the first layer, you have this other layer. 132 feet of color-changing LED rope lights.
Woohoo.
130.
32. Color-changing.
Wow.
You're like, hey, Google, change the colors. And they'll say, it's your birthday. We're going to sing happy birthday to you on your birthday. You know Google will do that? It did it to me this morning. I didn't know to do that.